Welcome. In this lesson, we're going to learn three basic triangle congruency postulates. First thing I want to emphasize is when you see the letter S, it stands for side. When you see the letter A, it stands for angle. So when you see three S's in a row, SSS, that stands for a side, and another side, or three sides. If you see side, angle, side, that means we have a side, then an angle, then a side. In other words, we're going to have a side of a triangle and another side of a triangle and the angle that's formed in between them. That would be side, angle, side. And then angle, side, angle means we have an angle, and then we're going to have a side, and then we're going to have another angle. And that will usually have two arcs in it. So we have an angle, a side, and an angle. And all we're going to do is look for these little tick marks and these angle arcs in order to see which one of these congruency postulates we have, or if we don't have any of them at all. In other words, right here I see a single arc, so I'm going to put an A there. And then over here I have that same single arc. So there's an angle. Then I can go to another angle, which is this angle here. So I went from, I'm going this direction in this triangle, and I'm going this direction in that triangle. And it doesn't matter what direction you go in each triangle, as long as you're sticking with the exact same angles and sides. So then a three angle and a three angle. But the thing is that's angle, angle, angle. And that is not a congruency postulate. We only have these three right up here. These three. Angle, angle, angle is not in here. So for this one, you would say these triangles cannot be proven congruent. Now here, again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find this single tick mark. That tick mark means this side is congruent to this side. Then I'm going to go to the closest angle that's congruent. There's an angle, right? And then I'm going to go to a side. And then I'm going to go to a side. So by side, angle, side, these two triangles are congruent, and that is one of our postulates, side, angle, side. Here we have, again, starting with the single side tick mark, and that's usually the best place to start, is where it has a single tick mark, going to another side, and then going to an angle. And again, I have that same thing here, side, side, angle. But side, side, angle is not a postulate. The angle is not in between the two sides. It would have to have been, and I want to emphasize this, it would have had to have been this angle here that would have had to been congruent to this angle here. So the angle would have been in between the two side tick marks. These two cannot be proven congruent. So now this one here, we have our angle. Then we have an angle here, J, that has the single arc. Then we have a side, then we have a side, and then we have a double arced angle. So we have an angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle. That does work. That's this one right here. So we can say those two are congruent. Again, side, side, angle, side, side, angle. Side, side, angle is not one of them. They cannot be proven congruent. Angle, angle, angle cannot be proven. You always need at least one side. This one's a side, side, side. Again, side, and this side is congruent. This side and this side is congruent. And this side and this side is congruent. So I have a side, side, side. Side, side, side. And that is a congruency postulate. We can prove those are congruent. Again, angle, angle, angle. Nope. This is side, side, angle. Nope. Angle, angle, angle. Nope. And so hopefully this will become just as easy for you. And I don't know why, but they love to throw in this side, side, angle one. Side, side, angle. It is not a congruency postulate. The angle has to be in between. Side, side, side. Like our side, angle, side. That's the way it would have to be. Side, angle, side. The angle has to be in between, and it is. So this one is by side, angle, side. Angle, angle, angle does not prove. Again, three angles, nope. Again, side, angle, side, side, angle, side. The angle is in between the two sides, so yes, that is congruent. This is the side angle. The angle is not where it needs to be. This is not, we cannot prove those are congruent. 3 sides is enough, side, side, side. And again, if you need to, look right up here. They're side, 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 side angle, side, and angle, side, angle. 3 angles does not prove congruency. And look at that, I'm already up to 91. 3 angles, no. 3 sides, yes. Side, side angle, no. Again, side, side angle, no. 3 angles, no. 3 sides, yes. Angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle, yes. Side, side angle, no. There is no side, side angle. 3 sides is yes. Again, you should be able to fly through this. If you have any questions, please do bring them to class.